So what is the Amazon Influencer Program? Let me show you. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a quick look at this box. Now I really like the storage box because you could store things other than beads in it, which is what I'm currently using it for. So my son has these tiny little Minecraft toys. So it's actually been pretty nice to just be able to store these in there just to keep them protected and have a way to store them when he's not actually using it. Okay, now I'm going to be taking a picture for the thumbnail here. I have it probably like this. Now that I have made the thumbnail, I'm going to throw it into Photoshop here and just going to edit everything on my phone, which is super nice. So I just took the thumbnail that I actually just took, and here we go. I'm going to be throwing it in here, Photoshop. I have a little template. It's currently loading the photo, and boom, just like that. It's going to move my arrow a little bit. And the video I made for this was 1 minute and about 20 seconds long, so that's ideally what I shoot for. I shoot for somewhere between like 1 minute and 2 minutes, just because people are shopping, they don't have time to watch a super long video. So if you could just have the product in your hand and tell them what you like about the product, just to give them that final little push to actually buy the product, then you did it. You did your job. Okay, so as you can see there, I was making a product review of a product I actually purchased on Amazon. So what is the Amazon Influencer Program? Basically, it's a program offered by Amazon where people with a social media account with a certain amount of followers, they don't really tell you how many followers, but if you have any type of following, there's a good chance that you could actually get approved for the program. And once you get approved for the program, then you essentially get a page on Amazon called your Amazon storefront. Okay, so after you get approved, get your Amazon storefront, from there you have to go through the beginning steps of getting approved for something called on-site commissions. So there's two ways that you could earn commissions on Amazon. You could either drive traffic to Amazon through affiliate links. You could do that with like a YouTube channel or social media page, and just include affiliate links to products that are sold on Amazon. So that is off-site commissions. Like I said, you drive traffic from off of Amazon onto Amazon. So however you do that, usually social media pages, like I said. And the second way to earn commissions is something called on-site commissions, which is specific to the Amazon Influencer Program. They have the Amazon Associates Program, which is primary focus usually for off-site stuff. But the Amazon Influencer Program is special because once you get approved for on-site commissions, your videos themselves, called shoppable videos, could actually live on Amazon product pages. So let's just say I'm shopping for a camera and I'm just scrolling through a bunch of different listings for cameras, and I'm just swiping through the photos of the product, and some products have something called a video carousel. So there's usually I think it's like five spots where people in the Amazon Influencer Program could qualify for. So if one of your videos lands on there and somebody who is potentially going to buy it is watching it, and after they watch a decent amount of the video and end up purchasing the product, then you get commission for that sale. So commissions could run anywhere between, I think it's, I would hate to say 0% to 4%, but that's pretty much what it is. Like anywhere between like 0 to 4%. And then there's some more like high-end stuff. I think like luxury products, that's a little bit higher commission, but I don't really focus on that, so I'm not too sure what the percentage of commission is for those products. But yeah, ultimately, Amazon Influencer Program, you essentially just get a YouTube page on Amazon to house your videos, photos, and you are basically the final push that buyers need to actually be able to buy a product. And my method is, I basically get the product, whether for free or buy it myself. and then I just film the product themselves. Some people, could argue like, you want to be in the video itself and then demonstrating the product, but I'm looking at it as a perspective of a buyer. And if I'm thinking about buying a product, I don't really care too much about the random person who's holding the product and showing me. I'm more interested in seeing the product itself and like how it functions, how it works, how I can get it to work, is usually what I'm really focused on when I'm about to buy a product. So that's my method. I usually just, like you saw in the beginning part of the video, just have my phone pop up here, and then I will demonstrate the product just showing my hands and the product itself. So that's my preferred way to do it. And at this point, I have just over 600 videos. I've been in the program for, I want to say, over a year at this point, but I'm finally starting to take it seriously again and going to be documenting the process. So I recently heard about an extension called Oink, and that has been driving my revenue up a decent amount. Previously, I've been making somewhere between like $200 to like $700 was my best month ever. And because of this Oink extension, it's been able to increase my numbers. I'll probably talk about that in another video, but that's been helpful as well to earn more money. And I'm going to focus more on trying to create YouTube videos on this channel and a secondary channel where I house some of my review videos, just to try to drive more off-site traffic onto Amazon, because if you're able to drive traffic from off-site onto Amazon, the commission is higher. People that are already on Amazon, they're more likely to buy a product. So Amazon's like, we're not going to pay you that much, which is totally understandable because you're using their traffic to earn commissions. And I would say it's pretty easy. It doesn't take a lot to actually get started in this. And if you're at all interested in this, then I would highly recommend getting started. If you hear that, that's my son stomping around upstairs like an animal. So a new part of this business that I'm starting to explore is actually selling the products on Facebook Marketplace. So I just sold this deck box, and I had it listed for $20 on Amazon. It's currently listed for, I think, $50 or $40, somewhere around there. So it is a commander deck. It could fit 4 different decks. Just open this up and you could slide your cards in there. But yeah, was able to find a buyer for this relatively quickly and don't even have to worry about shipping. So that's going to be nice. But yeah, that is in essence the Amazon Influencer Program. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.